I was driving on a national speed limit country road the other day, and I see this lady driving towards me waving her hand out of her window. What's she waving at, I wonder? Well, she was doing a slow down arm signal, possibly to warn me of a hazard ahead. I personally think her doing the arm signal is a really great idea, as it really grabbed my attention. So if you ever want to really grab someone's attention, try an arm signal. After seeing the arm signal, proceed with caution. Be ready to stop at any moment. Now at this point, I'm not entirely sure what she's waving at, as there's been no hazards yet. But then we get this next oncoming car. This vehicle decides to flash me. So again, I'm thinking, what's happening ahead? What's the hazard? So we've had someone giving an arm signal to tell us to slow down, and also someone flashing their headlights. Out of the two, which one do you think is more effective? Which one grabbed our attention and made us think about our speed choice? Making sure we look far ahead, we can now see the problem. There appears to be some stopped vehicles ahead with pedestrians in the road. What do you think happened here? Look at the vehicle at the side of the road. It's in really quite poor condition on the wrong side of the road in the grass. But it appears to be the only vehicle involved in the accident. Were they approaching that corner too fast and skidded or panicked? Maybe they're on their phone not paying attention to the road. Not quite sure. It did appear they were the only vehicle involved.